that was close. Gotta get out of this water now. Damn it. Gear's gone. No time to chase, gotta focus.
Freezing. First priority, get dry, stay alive.
Okay, assess. Shelter and fire. Need them both, fast.
Gotta find some shelter. Pines should block the wind.
Wringing out the water. Waste of energy, but necessary.
Any sun helps. Gotta use every advantage I can find.
Can't waste energy shivering. Gotta move, keep warm.
Straight branches are best. Easier to work with.
Building against this tree. Good support. Simple lean-to. Just need to block the wind.
Insulation is key. Gotta trap body heat. Pack it tight. More leaves, more warmth. Barrier from the ground. Can't lose heat to the earth. Dry tinder is crucial. Gotta find something that catches.
The key is getting this tinder nest loose, but strong enough to hold that ember. Nice and easy with the breath now.
Dry, seasoned wood. This might work.
Need a good spot for the spindle.
Spin faster. Gotta get some heat. Smoke, but no fire. Not enough pressure. Gotta change the angle. Try something different. Damn. Lost my grip. Start over. Takes more effort than it looks. Don't give up. There. An ember. Finally. Gentle now. Don't want to lose it. Just a little air. Feed the flame. Yes. Fire. Finally, some warmth. Gotta find some water. Dew's my best bet. Slow but steady. Every drop counts. Not much, but it's something. If it rains, even better. Nature's water bottle. Reinforce the frame. Gotta make it sturdy. Layer upon layer. Trapping the heat. Seal the gaps. Stop the wind. Small pieces first. Build the flame gradually. Feed the fire. Keep it going. Control the flame. Conserve fuel. Prepare for morning. Gotta try again.
Dark now. Long night ahead.
Gotta stay warm. Conserve heat. Gear can fail. Gotta rely on what's inside. Shelter first. Stay dry, stay alive. Then fire. Can't survive long without it. Water last. You can go longer without it than warmth. Gear can fail, but your mind won't. Stay calm, adapt, and survive. Knowledge is your greatest survival tool.
In survival, control the environment and sling, or it controls you.
Like and subscribe to learn more.
Stay calm and let the river do the work. The key here is maintaining control of the bow as we approach the drop. A reliable multi-tool is essential kit. Use it to clear your path, but always watch your footing on these damp roots.
This blade is your lifeline. When sharpening, ensure you use smooth, deliberate strokes away from the body. The key to a good overnight burn is preparation. Once you have that strong coal bed, you can carefully place your larger pieces.